Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Samsung Galaxy A26, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A26. So what do we need to do? We need to have a USB cable connected to your PC. So I have this Type-C cable connected to my PC. Without this PC connectivity you won't be able to hard reset this phone. So let's get started. I'm gonna connect this cable and it's connected to my PC. So right now you can't even shut down this phone because of the password. So as you know that we don't know this password, so just in order to reset the phone we have to force restart. So I'm going to press volume down and power button together, and I'm going to keep the screen alive. Let's get into this. The second phone restart, I'm going to switch from volume down to volume up while I'm keep holding this power button. So keep holding these two buttons until you get into the recovery. That's how we get into the recovery of the Android A26. So from here we can apply wipe data and do the factory reset. We have another option, wipe cache partition. So I'm going to perform wipe data factory reset. Please keep that in mind that this wipe data and factory reset option will delete everything from your phone, including your phone numbers and everything from your phone. So we're going to select power button to select this reset, and we're going to select factory data reset, select power button to select, and there we go, the phone is been wiped. Now I'm gonna wipe the cache partition also using press power button, select yes, press power. Phone is been reset already. So from here we can reboot the phone now. This is gonna take a while to reboot the phone. Here we have a welcome message. You can just skip all the setup and the phone will be ready to use. Agree to all. Here we go, your phone is ready to use, and just press the home button and your phone is being wiped. Everything's been deleted from your phone. So we have two SIM cards in this phone. We're gonna set up later. So right now that's all for now. That's how you reset Samsung Galaxy A26, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.